Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. OneTravel.com is a comprehensive online travel agency that offers a wide range of travel-related services, allowing you to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages all in one place. The platform aims to simplify the travel planning process by providing a user-friendly interface and a vast selection of options. Whether you're searching for a budget-friendly weekend getaway or a luxurious international trip, OneTravel strives to offer competitive pricing and diverse travel solutions to meet various needs and preferences. The website features search filters that enable users to refine their searches based on specific criteria such as price range, travel dates, airline preferences, and hotel amenities. OneTravel also frequently promotes deals and discounts, providing opportunities to save money on travel arrangements. Beyond basic booking functionalities, OneTravel offers additional services like travel insurance and 24/7 customer support to assist travelers throughout their journey. For those who prefer managing their bookings on the go, OneTravel provides a mobile app, offering a convenient way to access itineraries, make changes to reservations, and contact customer support. While OneTravel presents itself as a comprehensive travel solution, user experiences may vary, and it's always recommended to compare prices and offerings with other travel agencies before making a final decision. Investigating reviews and ratings from other travelers can also offer valuable insights into the quality of service and potential drawbacks to consider. Planning a trip can be a complex undertaking, and platforms like OneTravel aim to streamline the process, offering a centralized hub for various travel arrangements. However, due diligence and thorough research are always crucial to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Remember to carefully review booking details, cancellation policies, and any associated fees before confirming your travel plans.